Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about LZ Technology Holdings Ltd, a company listed on Nasdaq under the ticker LZMH. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only, and we will try to understand the company in a simple and clear way. LZ Technology Holdings Limited is a technology based focused company that works on digital solutions and innovative platforms. The company aims to improve user experience and provide modern tech-driven services in a rapidly evolving digital environment. Now let's understand the business model. The company operates in the technology space where it focuses on building scalable digital ecosystems. Its approach is centered around innovation, platform development, and expanding its service reach over time. Talking about growth factors, the overall expansion of the technology sector plays an important role, increasing digital adoption across industries and rising demand for platform-based services can influence the company's future direction. At the same time, it is important to understand the risk. The technology industry is highly competitive and trends change very quickly. The company's performance depends on how effectively it can adapt, execute its strategies, and stay relevant in the market. Looking at the market position, LZ Technology Holdings Limited appears to be in a developing phase where both potential and uncertainty exist. This makes it important to view the company from a long-term perspective rather than expecting immediate outcomes. To sum it up, the company is focused on innovation and technology, but like any business in this space, it comes with its own set of challenges. Understanding both the opportunities and the risk is essential before forming any opinion. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research and consult a professional advisor before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more such content. Thank you for watching.